Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to go over the steps on how to replace the 4Matic control module, also known as the airmatic control module, and it's located right down here, the passenger footwell. The first thing you'll need to do is move this passenger seat all the way back, then remove the floor mat. Then what you need to do is you need to pull down the carpet. So the next step is to remove these plastic 10mm nuts. There's one there, one up on top. You have 3 of them. Once you do that, then you can lift this out, pull it over, and you can see right here, this is the airmatic, or also known as air suspension control unit. This is also known as the N51 unit. In order to remove this, there's a couple things you need to do. First, start by disconnecting the battery. In this case, we have this is on an S class, so your battery will be behind the rear seat. Sometimes it'll be in the trunk, and on some will also be in the engine bay. But once you disconnect the battery, then you can come here. You have this connector here, and here you can remove both of these, even though it's not really necessary, just it's easier. Then you have these bolts here, one here, 2 on this side. You have these connectors here. These, they slide and then they pull out, and then you can take the new air suspension control unit and reinstall it. Now it will need coating. The best thing to do is, if you have the old unit working, you can transfer the coating from the old unit to this. Otherwise you might just have to do some manual coating to this unit. But that's where it's located, especially on the W221 S class, and it's pretty simple to replace, as you can see. Thank you for watching.